This is happening live. The Nigerian Army, the Nigerian DSS, the Nigerian police sent by Dave Umahi, the governor of Ebonyi State, to come and stop and disrupt the activities of the inauguration of Ebonyi local government area. It's here in Ebonyi local government to disrupt what we are doing. As you can see them right here. They are shooting tear gas on the people who came for the inauguration of Ebonyi local government inauguration today, the 27th of October 2019. This is them. I see many of them are there right now trying to disperse the people forcefully from doing the right thing. See them in their thousands. They have done everything they could. See them right there. See them shooting the people. Yes. See them. The Nigerian police, the DSS, right here. What is the crime of the people? Because they are asking for their freedom. They are asking for their freedom to be given to them. But then they are fighting for the interest of individuals, killing the innocent people. This is who they are. That is what they are known for. Molestation of innocent people. The Nigerian security doing what they know how to do best, killing the innocent people. Right now, we have not yet confirmed how many people that are down, but then shooting tear gas, live bullets on the people that came for the inauguration of Ebonyi local government area. Today, the 27th of October 2019. Happening live here in Ebonyi local government, Abakaliki province of Biafra land. My name is Mazi Ogefade Igri. You can see what is happening. But the people stood their ground, saying no, that indeed we own this land. Nothing is them going to stop the agitation for Biafra restoration, and not even their threat is going to stop us, because we own this land. Ebonyi is Biafra, and Enugu is Biafra. Akwa Ibom is Biafra. Yes, Anambra is Biafra. Bayelsa is Biafra. Nothing is going to stop us from the agitation to restore Biafra. Not even the intimidation of the Nigerian government and their soldiers and their security operatives, as you can see right here on the video, and see the people live jubilating, celebrating, because despite the operation and what they are going through, they still remain strong. You see our women, you see our people, they're still right here. Yes. And Biafra is going to be restored. We have taken over the land. It automatically belongs to all of us. Nothing is going to stop it. Not even their intimidation. Not even their intimidation. See them? Yes. These are the Nigerian soldiers and the DSS sent by the governor of the state, David Moise Umahi. Of course, we are not going to give up because we are Biafrans. That is what you are seeing right here, right now, happening live here in Ebonyi local government area on the 27th of October 2019. The activities of the inauguration of Ebonyi local government must continue.
Keep on keeping on.
Nothing is going to stop what we are doing. Yes, this is the coordinator of Ebonyi State, Abakaliki province of Biafra land, Mazi Ugwe Obonaya. He's standing right here with the people in the face of the oppression, in the face of this obligation and this molestation unleashed on the people. Mazi Ugwe Obonaya and the entire executives of Ebonyi are right here, and our people, you can see them in their thousands, bringing to the face of this camera how they have been molesting our people, shooting the tear gas and live bullets on the innocent people of Biafra. And still then, our people are who they are. This is to show you how resolute, how formidable our people are in the quest to restore the sovereign state of Biafra. This is the cultural music that were sent to come and perform here, and they have been doing the needful all this while, doing justice to what is due. Our elders are right here. Nothing is stopping them. Our women, they are here. They are stopping at nothing but to restore Biafra. This is our clergy. They are also right here, fearless before their enemy. That is what our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu taught us. That is what we are going to continue to do until the sovereign state of Biafra is being restored. We are being faced with gun and bullets. We are being faced with high level of marginalization, with high level of unreasonable tormentation. But then our people continued being resolute, being strong. That is the spirit of Biafra, which our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu taught us. This is happening right here, live and direct from Ebonyi local government area, Abakaliki province of Biafra land. Today, the 27th of October 2019. The Nigerian Army, the DSS, the police, they were sent to come and obstruct the activities of unarmed people who are doing nothing, who have committed no crime, but to ask for their rights. They have done nothing other than to ask for the sovereign state of Biafra to be given to them. The United Nations Charter have it in their charter. The EU have it on their charter. The AU have it on their charter. Every organization of the world have it on their charter for human rights of every citizens to be given to them. Freedom of association is there. Freedom of speech is there. But as you can see right here, the people have gathered for their normal activities just to maintain their normal activities as a people. But the Nigerian Army security operatives, combination of Army, DSS, were all sent right here to come and molest and oppress the people. Exactly what we cannot condone, exactly what we cannot accept, because this land, Biafra, belongs to all of us. We shall stop at nothing but the restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra.
Osobo community to inaugurate for a local government, indigenous people of Biafra. No matter what the situation on the ground, record shall record it and have it intact. That this day, even with the presence of the Joint Security Force, that IPOB and Ebonyi State remain formidable. And as I speak to you here in my head of Directorate of State, we are here present in Ebonyi. No matter whatever be it this day, Ebonyi local governments have been inaugurated. Under the work and leadership of Mazelam Bekalo. One family. We must have to love it. One family.
This is the Nigerian security operatives. Immediately it is done, they are right here. That is what our people cannot continue. Look at it. Look at it. At it here. Nigerian security doing what they know how to do best. See the people running. This is quite unfortunate. You can see the people running. Helter skelter.